Good morning, students. Today in this third lecture, third video of chapter number 4, standard 7 SS, I am going to discuss about paintings, music, literature, folk dances and crafts, and also urbanization. It means which cities were developed and which things were imported and exported. Okay, these things I am going to explain once again. Standard 7 SS chapter number 4, and today it is the third lecture, third video. My dear student, I have already explained about architecture and which cities were established at that time. Now merchants and craftsmen. Merchants and craftsmen. My dear student, at that time, the two world famous merchants, they lived in Surat. Do you know who were they? They were Virji Vora and Gopi Malik. Virji Vora and Gopi Malik. So they were the world famous merchants and lived in Surat. My dear student, at that time Surat was well known for the Jari embroidery work. Okay, Jari embroidery work. Okay, my dear student, but before I explain this one, let me explain about paintings. I have already said, my dear student, when I explained the chapter number 3, that time I explained during the period of Akbar and Jahangir. Okay, my dear student, in paintings, special texts were written on drawing. That is called Gulshan Chitravali. That is called Gulshan Chitravali and Hamznama. Two books were written on paintings. Which were they? Gulshan Chitravali and Hamznama. And my dear student, we can say, okay, during a gallery was set up in Agra. A gallery was set up in Agra by Akariza. And my dear student, at that time, Akariza he drew paintings on animals, birds, and flowers. So here we have to remember the word special text. Gulshan Chitravali and Hamznama. Painter Akariza. Okay, special drawing on pictures about animals, birds and flowers. A gallery was set up at Agra. Okay, my dear student, we can say at that time during the period of Jahangir, when special festivals and occasions were there, at that time pictures were drawn. Okay, paintings were made when during the special occasions and festivals, during the celebration of festivals and occasions. Okay, my dear student, during the period of Jahangir, special paintings were made. Okay, and my dear student, making of portrait started from Akbar reign. Okay, so this is the thing we have to remember about paintings. Once again, Gulshan Chitravali, Hamznama. A gallery set up at Agra. Painter Akariza during the period of Jahangir. Okay, during the when Jahangir was ruling over, that time when festivals are there, occasions were there, at that time paintings were made. Second one, my dear student, not only Mughal paintings were famous, but paintings of Rajasthan were very famous. Okay, so the style of Mewar style, Jaipur style, Marwar style, Kota style of Rajasthan were also very famous. Okay, my dear student, so this comes in a painting. After that comes music. My dear student, when I explained the chapter number 3, that time I said about Tansen. Okay, Tansen was a courtier in the court of Akbar. Tansen was also a courtier in the courts of Akbar. And he was a great musician. Okay, my dear consider about music, at that time Indian Sufi and Islamic Sufi, Indian Sufi music and Islamic Sufi music were done during the period of Sultanate. During the period of Sultanate era, Indian Sufi and Islamic Sufi music were made. Okay, and we say about Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji, we know, we have learned one name, Amir Khusro. Amir Khusro was a great poet. Okay, and my dear student, he introduced Khayal Paddhati instead of Drupad. Amir Khusro, he introduced Khayal Paddhati instead of Drupad. And my dear student, he started Qawwali. In Muslimism, we know Qawwali is one of the best style to sing. Okay, so Amir Khusro, he introduced Qawwali and also Khayal Paddhati instead of Drupad. Okay, my dear student, at that time, okay, Sarangdev of Devgiri, he wrote a book named Sangeet Ratnakar. Remember the thing, Sarangdev Sangeet Ratnakar. A book was written on music, while Haripal Dev of Gujarat also wrote a book named Sangeet Sudhakar. Once again, Indian Sufi and Islamic Sufi were started. Okay, Amir Khusro introduced Qawwali. Okay, and instead of Khayal Paddhati, introduced Khayal Paddhati instead of Drupad. Okay, then Sarangdev of Devgiri wrote a book named Sangeet Ratnakar, while Haripal Dev of Gujarat, he wrote a book on music that is called Sangeet Sudhakar. Okay, my dear student, after that comes literature. During that time, okay, many things were written. Okay, in chapter number 1 we learned about Siddham Shabdanushasan. It was written by Hemchandracharya, and name is given Siddham Shabdanushasan, means Hemchandracharya and Siddharth Jaisingh. Okay, my dear student, it was written by Hemchandracharya. Many things were written. Okay, the foreigners, they came to India, they also wrote many books. Okay, so here Git Govindam was written by Jaydev, Hitopdesh written by Narayan, then Prithviraj Raso written by Chandbardai, then Padmavat was written by Muhammad Jayasi. My dear student, in a book we have many things are given, but here I have written very few. Okay, Okay, you can read from the book. Okay, Git Govindam by Jaydev, Hitopdesh by Narayan, Prithviraj Raso by Chandbardai, and Padmavat by Muhammad Jayasi. Okay, many things are there. You just write down and copy down from the book and prepare also. My dear student, next point comes about folk dances. My dear student, in Gujarat is known for Ras and Garba. My dear student, if the question comes, which is the biggest fair of Gujarat, and the answer comes Tarnetar. It is held in Jhalawar. One of the biggest fair of Gujarat, that is called Tarnetar. And in that Tarnetar fair, a special ras is played that is called Huru. And my dear student, when we consider about Gujarat, not only Ras Garba, Bhavai is also important. Okay, my dear student, we know recently one artist died. One who acted in a serial Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, and one character Ghanshyam Nayak. Okay, Ghanshyam Nayak. Normal in the serial name was given Nattu Kaka. Yeah, what? Okay, he died, and my dear student, he played Bhavai nicely. He was one of the best actor playing Bhavai. Okay, My dear student, so Bhavai was that, and in the field of Bhavai, one name is taken with high level, highly praised, and that is called Asif Thakur. Asif Thakur. My dear student, here I have written Bhavai. When we consider about Bhavai, this name always come Asif Thakur. Asif Thakur. Okay, and my dear student, I have already explained about Jhalawad. Okay, in Kathiawad, Kudu dance is there. Turnitar fair. My dear student, we have also a big celebration of Navratri. 9 days we play Ras Garba, Garbi, Ras. Okay, and my dear student, we pray our goddesses. Okay, and we perform Garba. And late night, sometime 3, 4, 5 hours continue we play. And it's a great thing of Gujarat. Okay, when we consider about the craftsmen, my dear student, many things were well known. Now, embroidery work of Kutch was world famous. Here I would like to explain one more thing, that the ladies of Kutch, like ladies of Banni and the Khadar. Okay, the ladies of Banni and Khari of Kutch. Okay, their work. Okay, embroidery work was very famous, world famous we can say. Okay, so embroidery work of Kutch. Then Patula of Patan was also world famous, and the Badni of Jamnagar and Jodhpur. They are also world famous. Okay, so my dear student, this thing comes in a painting, music, literature, and also folk dances. Now when we consider about how it developed everything, my dear student, during the period of Solanki kings, two main ports were there, Khambhat and Bharuch, and through that ports, okay, business was done. Here I have written, my dear student, okay, during this medieval age, okay, the cities like Ahmedabad, Patan, it was founded, okay, then Champaner, Ahmedabad, Surat and Khambhat, they were developed as a city, okay, and my dear student, when we consider about Khambhat, it is considered as a port, okay, it was, at that time, slowly Surat developed, but earlier Khambhat and Bharuch were there, okay, so Ahmedabad, Patan, we know Manda Chowra, okay, Champaner, Ahmad Shah, Ahmedabad, Surat and Khambhat. My dear student, during the period of Shah Jahangir and Shah Jahan, Delhi was the capital, and my dear student, it was the main center for the trading. Delhi was the main center for trading during the period of Jahangir and Shah Jahan. My dear student, many cities were developing. Okay. Here I have written here, my dear student, Lahore, Jaunpur, and Dhaka. They were developed because of the trade and business. Because of the business. My dear student, Muslim of Dhaka is world famous. Muslim of Dhaka is also famous. And my dear student, because of that development, okay, Amritsar, okay, that is also became one of the main center. Okay, and my dear student, in my second video I explained about Amritsar, Golden Temple. During the period of Maratha Empire, Pune, Satara, Gwalior and Vadodara, they were developed. Okay, so my dear student, these big cities were developed. My dear student, when we learn about Vijayanagar, Krishnadev Rai, okay, that time I explained about Hampi. Hampi was the capital of Vijayanagar. And my dear student, Hampi was known for craft industries. And many things like the cotton cloth, silk cloth, spices were exported from Vijayanagar. Got it? And my dear student, I have already said about the Virji Vora and Gopimali. the famous merchants, they lived in Surat. So here I have explained about paintings, music, literature, folk dances, craftsmen and urbanization. My dear student, while discussing the question answer, I am going to explain this thing again. Thank you.